Alright guys, so Aurora Cannabis is officially listed on the New York Stock Exchange today. So, if a lot of you have bought Aurora Cannabis back when it was on the OTC exchange, the ticker symbol has just changed to ACB. I got in my TD Ameritrade account this morning and I looked, and just my shares of ACBFF just turned into ACB. It's pretty simple. The stock is down 6.5% right now. It looks like the cannabis stocks are trying to recover a little bit, but so far the past couple of days and even this past week or so, it has not been good at all for the MJ sector. So I've got my watch list here on Yahoo Finance pulled up. And as you can see, the day started off really, really red. All the stocks were getting hit really hard. Now it looks like some of them are trying to recover. It looks like Aphria is trying to recover. Kronos is trying to pull itself out of a loss. GW Pharmaceuticals. India Globalization Capital is up 15%, so that's a pretty nice move. New Age Beverage is popping up a little bit. And, there's just a couple of stocks here. Tilray was down as low as like 107, 108, so it's trying to recover. But guys, I just want to touch on this real briefly. I've been getting texts from people, calls, emails, Facebook Messenger, all this type of stuff. And everybody is melting down. Everybody is stressed out right now. And I can probably tell you why most people are melting down, stressed out, and tired of the stock market is because we are in a real slump right now. And I just want to be that voice of reason. This is why every live chat I have, every video I make, every chance I get, I try to remind people, keep money on the sidelines. You have to buy into these dips fearlessly, okay? It almost feels like sometimes I'm having the same conversation over and over and over with the same people. And on one hand, I'm a little disappointed, but on the other hand, that's what I'm going to do, and that's what I'm here for as a content creator, is to support you during difficult times and be there for you if you get stressed out or you just want to walk away. But this is the whole idea behind the stock market. Today is the day you need to be buying, guys. In this past week where we've been, seeing this big decline, this is the buying opportunity. You're supposed to buy into these dips and sell once you start making profits on these stocks. Especially, like I said, not everybody invests in the cannabis sector, but those of us who do, this creates buying opportunities. They're trying to recover. Here we go. Looks like Canopy is almost about to break even and be in the green. Bio, looks like they're trying to work their way back out and get in the green. So just keep that in mind, okay? If you're buying stocks into all-time highs, you have to know this is coming. You have to know that when the market pulls back, you're going to be in a dangerous situation. And when the stocks right now, I think there's several factors. I think we're going into midterm elections, and the market is going to be in a state of confusion for a while. I also think that the Fed and the decisions they're making has a lot of effect on this. And historically, the month of October can be very volatile for the stock market. And we've had an incredible run. So what I got pulled up right here, guys, this is the 5-year chart of the S&P 500. And really, everything in the market kind of follows the S&P 500. The Dow, the NASDAQ, and the New York Stock Exchange all kind of pattern. They all kind of trade together. They all trade up together, and they all pretty much trade down together. But as you can see, over the last 5 years, guys, we've had an amazing run, especially here in from like 2016 to now. We've been running straight up. We've been getting into these really, really high points, and we're just in this little bitty dip right here. Let me get the 1-year chart pulled up and I'll show you. So this is our dip right now. this is our current dip. We dipped down really hard. We recovered a little bit back on the 17th, and now we're dipping back down again. So this is the time you need to be investing into stocks, buying into the stocks. Do not panic. Do not get worried, and do not get bent out of shape. Especially if you're new to the markets. This was a great time, like today and yesterday and this past week. It's a great time to be getting into the stock market, is because you're going to get discounts on all these stocks, you know, especially like I said in the cannabis sector. So stay the course, do not panic, and invest into these big dips. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.